Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna make bracelet. I'm going to use these orange beads and these off pink beads, and I'm going to show you how I make this bracelet. So let's begin. I'm going to use this stretchable band to make a bracelet. First I'm going to see how much I need according to my wrist size, and then I cut it off accordingly. I'm going to start by adding 4 pink beads inside the string. Now I'm going to match both ends of the string and add an orange bead. Now as the strings are divided into two, I'm going to add 2 pink beads each side and then match both the strings and add an orange bead again. And then the same process continues till it gets completed. And this is how the bracelet will look with this pattern. Now that the bracelet is completed, we are going to take one end of the string and add it between the first 4 beads that we made and going to tie a knot. You can tie multiple knots to make it tight and secure, and then cut the excess off. And there you go, you guys. Our bracelet is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!